Hi guys, welcome back to The Default Life. Before we begin with our video today, please subscribe to our channel. It's absolutely free. Today's video is about how to do manicure at home. For that we will require some hot water. Now the water should not be hot enough to burn your hands. To this hot water we will be adding some cleansing stuffs like lemon juice, some salt and some baking soda. First, drop the solids into the water and then squeeze out the lemon juice and drop the lemon wedge into the water as well. After that we need to add some conditioner. You can use shampoo as well, but only a little bit of this product is required. And now mix them. You will see a froth coming up. Now this mixture is going to act as a cleansing water for your hands, so mix them really well. And once it's mixed, dip your hands into the water for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, start rubbing your fingers and nails using that lemon wedge. Now this is going to eliminate all the dirt and grime and any residue from your fingers and nails. Also lemon will help to lighten dark patches around your nails or fingers if you have any. Do this for around 2 minutes and that'll be enough for now. After that, take an old toothbrush and start scrubbing your fingers and nails using that old toothbrush very softly and gently. Make sure you do not hurt your skin. This will eliminate all the dead skin cells. And do this for 1 or 2 minutes. Now wash your hands with plain water. And let's move on to the next step. In the next step, we will require some plain water, a mixing bowl, an old toothbrush, and a hand towel. Now to the mixing bowl, add some salt and same amount of baking soda, followed by some coffee. You can use ground coffee or instant coffee, and add some olive oil. After that, squeeze in some lemon juice and quickly mix it all together to get a nice thick paste. You will see a froth coming up, and then quickly apply it on your palm. Spread it evenly all over your hand. And start massaging your fingers and palm with the help of this scrub. Now this is a really good scrub to remove all dead skin cells and dark patches or fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation, whichever you have. The coffee in the scrub will help to eliminate all the age spots. The olive oil on the other hand will soften your hands, and the lemon juice will lighten your skin and remove all the dark patches from your hands, so you will get fairer and even toned hands. Keep massaging your hands using this scrub for around 3 to 4 minutes, focusing on the target areas where you have some dark patch or any age spots, and then wash your hands. Now if you see any residue from the scrub in your nails, use the toothbrush to scrub it away, and then pat your skin dry. After that, immediately apply a heavy coat of moisturizer on your hands. This will eliminate any excess dryness. You can feel how soft your hands are. And now it's time to paint the nails. Take your favorite nail paint, paint your nails, and your manicure is done. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel.